Yeah, this is a present. Who's it from?
My man Pepper.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and open it.
Okay.
What do you think?
Yeah.
What is it? Keep going. Take all the paper off.
What is it, Mommy?
I don't know. Take all the paper off and we'll see. Pull it out of the paper.
What is it, Mommy?
It's beautiful. Can you get it open? Good job. Open up the bag.
Okay.
Tape stuck.
The tape stuck on me. My man Pepper had some tape.
My man Pepper got you some tape? That was nice. Here, do you want me to hold it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, open up the bag.
What is it?
Let's see, pull it out.
It's beautiful.
It is. It's a scarf.
Yeah.
What else was in there? There's something that fell on the floor. What's on the floor?
This, too.
What's that?
A hat.
Wow, can you put it on? Can you get it over your hair? Those pigtails might make it kind of hard. Here, I'll hold the front. Pull, pull. Get over those pigtails. There we go. Oh, it's perfect. Do you like it? Do you love it?
Mm-hmm.
What do you say?